Your actions seem so insignificant, but every decision you make has an impact on your life. Thinking through the day, and all the decisions you need to make. Things seem so important, but is there really so much at stake? Take your time, don't hurry, just take it slow. Things really only matter if you say so. It may feel like a normal day, you know the routine by heart. But change only happens when you tear your routine apart. Everyday decisions that you make can change your reality. Live the day like it's the only day you'll see. You'll live a life full of positivity. Everyday decisions that you make will shape your destiny. Make today the day things change, and you finally live your dreams. Please like, subscribe and comment, and we'll try to reply as soon as we can.